Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to create Fiverr account. So let's get started. At first make sure you have already downloaded the Fiverr app from Play Store. After that let's get into the app. Now click on Start Now. Now enter the phone number. Now we'll receive an activation code in our phone number. Now accept the code. Now enter your full name. Add the date of birth. Now tick mark over here. So this is all. Now we are in Fiverr interface. So this is how we can create Fiverr account. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.